Cats are adorable in their own ways, and the moments of cats showing love to their parent you are about to see here is guaranteed to melt your heart instantly.
What are you doing, Maddie? Are you rotating your face so she gets each side?
Mm-hmm. She said that it was a good choice to have breakfast burritos for breakfast.
Yeah.
Except for whatever the man is looking at, this cat can be a professional massager. After a hard working day, there is nothing better than a back massage with those fuzzy claws.
Why? Because they can't have dying.
Maybe they have the lawyers do it for them.
You're a lawyer.
Your video.
I can't pay them to do all that paperwork.
Let me do it yourself.
She definitely wants more than 2 kisses. She can just do this all day. Our fluffy friend just loves scrubbing his face with the owner's mustache. My dad's belly is going to be the cat's new pillow, and he seems to like it.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
The most comfortable place to take a short nap is on the master's shoulder. Everyone wants to be a baby, wants to be hugged and cuddled sometimes, right? Honey, what are you hiding? Dad, I don't want a cat. Also, Dad.
Really kind of sharp, actually.
His hair has definitely used a catnip-flavored shampoo.
What did you wash your hair with? Chicken?
Just old spicy catnip like normal.
Getting to its favorite spot.
A rub with the fur ball a day keeps the sadness away.
Yeah. Does it take a leak?
Who said cats don't like kisses? Who? You know he wants a kiss when he scratches you lightly. You can now forget about your back pain when having a small assistant on your shoulder. The affection between my once reluctant dad and my cat is absolutely precious. Nobody will say the girl is the initiative, for sure. The moment of finding his lips is really priceless. The best morning routine. Wake up, let your cat get inside the blanket, and continue sleeping. We all need a hug sometimes. We have a new employee in our office, and nobody is complaining. One kiss is not enough. One more. Okay, one more.
Hi.
Being able to capture such a lovely moment like this is so heartwarming.
Oh my god.
There's no milk in there, I promise. You, please stop.
Surely no milk in here, but she is enjoying it. Enough working! Let's play with me!
This little nugget came up. She hugs.
Gingy, I love you.
Okay, I understand you love me too. Okay.
She has made every single kiss special. Having a personal hair washer like this is actually not bad at all. Enjoy the peaceful atmosphere with my master. This is my cat's favorite game to play as soon as I lay down in bed. Have these moments make you say "aw" yet? Comment down below and be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to receive notifications of our new videos in the future.